Right, guys, well, that was... Carry on, Tom. Carry on. That was an eventful morning.
I'm not used to manual labour, am I?
I have to do a manual job. Here, build 300 cars a shift, you cheeky, I can't swear, cheeky.
It's alright, it's alright.
But, like Tom was saying there, though, that's alright, but where do you actually stop?
Yeah.
You know, the owner isn't smitten on, you know, we could tidy this up in time, but obviously the main thing was to get a ramp in today, and it is starting to rain again.
Yeah, it's been raining most of the day, hasn't it?
Yeah, we got saturated, like.
So
So,
I'm happy with that though, it's alright.
as long as you're happy with it.
Could be neater. It has been
See that rain?
down all day.
It's not bad,
All
though.
morning even.
I know, yeah, water just running, no gutter, water just running straight off the roof. Yeah. I've seen worse, though.
Oh,
I've seen worse.
yeah. As I say, where did you finish with it?
I know.
At least you've got the main bit done.
I know. You look at that now and it's like, and then you think, but that is better than it was. I have filled some of this, believe it or not, took some bricks out and stuff.
The main thing is you've got a ramp, doors are going on Monday. That will have all pretty much gone off.
How long do you reckon that'll take then, Tom, to go off?
By tomorrow you'll pretty much be able to walk on it. To be honest, I always say leave it a week before.
We're not going to drive on that probably till, well, obviously can't till the doors, and we want to do the floor inside. Done a bit, haven't you? You're used to doing this.
Yeah, no, it's a good job.
So yeah, guys, doors on Monday, all being well, and it's forecast absolutely horrendous for that as well.
Yeah.
Full on rain Monday. So hopefully we get a bit of drying time now, next hour or so, before we have to put this. Just want it to go off a little bit before we put that tarp on.
Yeah, well, we'll go over it again. We'll smooth it again. Just get a few ridges in it, and we'll get the tarpaulin back on it, and just leave it.
I see what you mean though about having the little ridges for grip. Like it's a good idea instead of just being completely smooth.
You don't really need it, but it's, it works. Like you don't want it like glass.
No. Yeah. All well and good.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just letting it roll. So okay.
Well, should we say?
No, go away. Leave my swollen ear alone. No.
Like Martin is not in the best of moods. Go on, turn to the side, Martin. Look at that here.
And then look at
Look
that.
at that.
I don't know if I've been bitten.
He's done a good job today, hasn't he?
You're giving me abuse, shouting at me. Bloody cement trucks on, and I can't hear him. I don't know.
That's really, didn't it?
Just literally last night, side of my head. It's swollen up, like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to go to the doctors if that continues.
Yeah.
Like, don't go
Well,
down.
if it doesn't go down today, I would probably.
But I feel like I'm carrying a heavy ear, like, side of me. Oh, it's horrible. Right guys, so Tom smoothed all that off, which was a nightmare.
Smooth edge.
Better.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
It's alright. Now the sun has come out a bit as well, which is perfect for us. That's all drying off, so hopefully we can get another hour's worth of sun in. do the job. We can get a car in and out. 30D's back. Still loads to do, but this was a bit of a scary one. Well, for me anyway, not for him.
It's a milestone, isn't it?
Milestone.
Doors are going on Monday. Ramps on. We'll hopefully be able to get a car in by next weekend.
So there we go, guys. A lot achieved today. It's been like working with Sergeant Major all day. That's why I just sat on my bum and watched him do that.
You're not feeling great, are you?
No.
I'll let you off this time. Man.
Big ear. Loads to do. It's like we've got it tidy and it's just got messier, innit?
Yeah, it's work in progress. We still have to clean all this.
Oh no.
Clean the ceiling.
I'll have to get a Hoover up there.
Leaves them.
I'll have to get a Hoover. I'll tell you now, as soon as that door's on and you get that wind coming in off the sea, oh, that dust will be off there.
Yeah, but it needs to go there, doesn't it?
About 30 years worth of dust up there, easy.
Get all that gone, get all that painted, I reckon.
So there we go, guys, well and truly on with it. Hopefully doors Monday. Hopefully ramp will be dry by tomorrow. We can walk on, and then hopefully it'll be a workable space so we can at least get a car in and get back to normal BMW content. Like I've said in previous videos, it has consumed us with time, this. So we've got all Tom's DPF delete dark side developments coming on that. It needs mapping.
DPF, BGR, swirl flaps.
Yeah, so hopefully
Filter.
next,
On that.
yeah, it'll be a beast.
Just don't the other bloody bolt doesn't stack.
Oh no.
That was a nightmare last night.
Yeah, not good. So hopefully, yeah, back to normal BMW content soon. But obviously, this has been important, and when it's done, we will have a HQ. You know, so all being well, things will go to plan. Difficult today, but we've got the job done, so there we go. Thank God for Tom. Right, guys, well, remember, like and subscribe. Enjoy your Saturday. We will catch you in the next one.
See you later.
See you later.